card for my camcorder, and I just want to show you this type of memory card. This is 170 megabyte per second. It's much better than I think much better than my old one. My old one I got last time is 95 megabyte per second, and this is a 64 gigabyte in SanDisk Extreme Pro SDXC UHS-I card, and they say Pro uncompromising image and 4K. You can see this UV30 4K UHD. In the back shown here is the 170 megabyte per second up to, and right up to 90 megabyte per second. That's not much. Let's see this on the side. It's the same. Let me open so you see inside. Oh, another thing. I don't know. When they deliver, I opened the package. That's kind of damaged here. I hope it's not damaged inside the memory card, but because I really need the card right now, so I open and see what happened. It's the dents here, and probably something is extremely hit there. That's why it's the big grab dents here. Let's open inside and see what happened. I purchased this for $20 something. This was, I think it's let's see how close is this one? How close to the damage thing? Half is not the big deal. Okay, so this is the car right here. It's the same right damage around here. It's very much the same with the another memory card. It's much not. I don't see any difference with my bare eye, unless I'm pro about this, so I can recognize. But so you can see that it's 170 megabytes per second. I believe they have 282. No, I think yeah, around 200 and something megabyte per second. This one, where it's made in China. That's most of the time we know. So that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. Here. Can you see it? I hope you see it. See, it's very close here. So that's it.